this is Anshika and I'm back with a new video. This video is gonna be very fun because I'm gonna be buying my wish list from Myntra. I have my Myntra credit of this month with me and I've literally saved the credit because usually I shop the moment I get the credit. But this time I've been really patient because obviously I had to shoot this video and I wanted to take you guys along with me through my shopping process. So yeah, this video is gonna be very fun. So make sure you watch it till the end. And now we'll begin with the video. So this is how the homepage of Myntra looks like. And before showing you what's in my wishlist, I'll show you how much I have in my Myntra credit. And I also have to add some money to it because I have some vouchers of around 600-700. I'll add those. And before that, I'll show you how much I have in my Myntra credit. So we go to the profile and we go to this option Myntra credit. This is how much I have in my Myntra credit, 5,286 rupees. But I also have to add some money as I told you, so we do that. And a lot of you guys were asking me how to add the voucher amount to the Myntra credit. Also, if you're using your phone, so आपको एक प्रोफाइल का ऑप्शन मिलेगा, उसमें पेमेंट्स एंड करेंसीज का ऑप्शन मिलेगा, उसमें जाके आपको Myntra क्रेडिट का ऑप्शन दिखेगा. एंड लैपटॉप में मैंने दिखाया ऐसे दिखता है. सो आप उसको Myntra क्रेडिट को ओपन करोगे. And when you open the Myntra credit option, you'll see this add gift card option. Click on this. You have to add the gift card number and gift card pin. So I'll enter those. Now I have copied the gift card number, then I'll paste it right here. And also the gift card pin. And then click on add to account. Yeah, so here you'll see the amount. Now it's 5,386 rupees. I'll similarly add all the other gift cards. Usually we get 6,300 every month, but I'm sure कि मैंने बाकी का spend कर दिया है. And also I've got one H&M jeans बाकी के amount से. Now I'll be showing you what's in my wish list and then we'll be proceeding with the best part. This is all that I have in my wish list. Yeah, I also have these suits because my mom and I use the same Myntra account. So whatever she saves also shows in my wish list. That is why I have suits and I also have air fryers in my wish list. That's how you know that your mom uses your account. I already have a few things in my mind that I want to shop. I really like these bags. I also had this one bag, pink colored bag, but it's out of stock. Also, the third reason that I was talking about was that everything I wanted was out of stock till the last week. That's why I'm shooting this video again right now. And now all of the things are back in stock, so I'm really happy. And there's one bag that is still not in stock. I don't know where it is. Yeah, see, I have air fryers in my wish list. Where is it? I also wanted to get this top from H&M. It's such a nice basic staple piece. But I've literally seen everyone wearing this one on my Instagram and now I don't want it. The bag that I was showing you was this one. Look at how pretty this bag is. But this is currently out of stock. And I'm really sad about it. Anyways, we cannot do anything about it, so we'll proceed with the things that we have. One of those is this jumpsuit. It is so pretty. And I have just three pieces left in my size. So I'll be getting this one. The first thing that we are getting is this jumpsuit. We'll be adding this to the bag. But before that, I'll be showing you how it looks. This is so pretty. This is such a staple piece that you should have in your wardrobe. I love it. I love it. I really like it. So yeah, I'm getting this one. in the size extra small. Please select a size, okay? Yes, so the next thing that we are getting is, I also like this top from Walkers, but again, I've seen so many people wearing this, so I don't want this now. And yeah, this jumpsuit. I also wanted this jumpsuit. This is also so pretty and it's black, so of course I like it. I have just one piece left in my size and see how lucky I am today. And थोड़े दिन पहले तो सारी चीजें out of stock थी, but now I'm glad कि है मेरी size में. So I'll get this. This is so pretty and the fabric is polyester. Okay, works. I really like the neck of this jumpsuit, that's why I'm getting it. And of course, it's black, so I really like it. I'll get this in the size extra small. Add it to the back. Moving on to the next thing. I also wanted some nipple pasties because the ones that I have are like used and they do not stick anymore. So I wanted a new pair. Where are they? I really liked this top. It's how basic and how pretty is this, but I do not have my size in this. The S is out of stock, so you're not getting this. Um, yeah, and I also wanted to get this white top, but again, this is not available in my size. Oh, we have it. Do I want to get this? Yesterday when I saw, they did not have the extra small and small size, but now they have it. I am considering to get it, but I'm not sure. Should I get it or should I not? The neckline is very deep. It's very like I don't want to get it. The next thing that we want to get is this bag. These two bags. I really want to get these. I'm not sure about this one, the zebra printed one. But let's see. I'll get it. No. Do I want to get this? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll leave this. So I get this bag. A fun fact. I do not own a white or a beige bag. I have 3 or 4 bags. All of them are in black color. So I needed a light colored bag. I really like this one and I'm getting this. Add to the bag. This is how it looks. Next thing that we have is this belt. Yeah, I also needed a belt, a black belt. This is how it looks. I'll get this in the size 26. 26 or 28, I don't know. I'll get it in the size 26. Next thing that we're going to get is the nipple pasties, the nipple covers. There's nothing to show this. I'll get this one. Next thing that we are getting is this uptowny top. I know that this is also very common, but I really like the pattern and all. I already have the white color in this one and I don't know कि मैंने white color क्यों लिया था because I usually get black. I'll get this one in the size. Should I get the size S or extra small? I'll get it in the size S. Next thing is this cap. Is this 1/8X Puma cap? I really like it. Look at how this matches my aesthetic so well. Black and white. I really like it. So I'll be getting this one. And I also liked this. What is this? I also liked this top from Mango, and I am getting it for just rupees 343, which is amazing. What else do we shop? Oh, and I also like these. Look at how pretty these are. But maybe I'll get these next time. Let's see what is the total. Hmm. We have successfully exceeded the price. But no, wait, I have a coupon that will save 300 rupees. Yay, now we're left with 200 rupees something. This is all I have in my bag. First one is the mango jumpsuit, the next one is this jumpsuit, black one shoulder jumpsuit. Then we have this bag and a solid black belt, then nipple covers, then this top, and then we have this white and black cap, and also this high neck t-shirt from Mango. So yeah, this is all that we're getting from the Myntra credit, from this month's Myntra credit. This is all we have, and now I really wanna just place the order because I'm really scared कि ये सब भी out of stock ना हो जाए. So yeah, I'll be placing the order. Place order. I won't show you my address, of course. Pay or delivery not available. No problem. I'm really excited to just like, yes. We are left with 238 rupees. Yes, I'll be placing the order now. Oh, we need to enter the OTP. So it's been more than a week since I shot the shopping part, and now I've received all my parcels, and it's been more than 2-3 days since I've received all of these, and honestly I deserve some appreciation for having so much patience because usually I open my parcels the moment I get them. I do not even care to enter my room first, and I just open my parcels then and there. But this time I was very patient because I wanted to show my honest reaction about all of the products that I've got. But I still managed to open two of them. Not two, actually three. This is the third one that I'm wearing right now. And now without talking too much, I will just start with the whole video. We'll start with the first item that I'm wearing right now. This is the mango top that I got. And this top is just so good. I love how it fits my body, and this is the perfect basic top that anyone could have in their wardrobe. The only thing that is disappointing is the material because it is a lot thinner than what I expected it to be. But that is not an issue because it's in black color, so black makes it less transparent. And my favorite part about this top is the length of the sleeves. It is so perfect and it suits my body type so well. I'm planning to get this top in other colors also, and I would highly recommend you to get this one if you're getting this in the price that I got because it was worth it. And this top actually fits me like a glove, and it is such a wardrobe essential that I can build so many outfits using this one. I absolutely love this one. Let's move on to the next thing that I've already opened is this beauty. I wanted a bag that is not black in color because I already own too many black bags. So I wanted something in different color, and you know how I cannot stand bright colors. So I wanted something in neutral, and I absolutely loved this one when I saw this. And it looks so gorgeous in real also. I absolutely love this one too. And this is how it looks. This would most probably go with all my neutral outfits, and it comes with one compartment, and it also comes with a longer strap. So I think this is worth it according to its price. I got this one for rupees 500 or something, and I think it's completely worth the price. So you should also get it if you are planning to. Let's move on to the next parcel. This is how it looks, and it is so thin. I already know what is inside. You remember how I was left with 200 rupees at last? I got these two using the 200 rupees. Yeah, I already knew what is inside. These are the two sheet masks that I got from Foxtail. I don't know how they work because I'm gonna be using these for the very first time, but I love the packaging though, and I'm gonna be using these very soon. Moving on, let's open the next parcel. This is the viral top, the cowlet top, which I already have in white color. I also got the black color because, of course, I've got this one in the size S. This is how it looks. I actually love the fit of the white one, so I got this one in black too. And I'm gonna be styling this in so many different ways, and I'm obviously gonna post a reel and a short, so stay tuned for that. The material and the look is absolutely same as the white one, so I have nothing much to tell about this. Do you remember that I told you how I've spent some money even before shooting the shopping part on a jeans? And this was the jeans that I was talking about. It's from H&M. It's in a very bright blue color, which is very unusual of me. This is how it looks, but I really like it. I paired it up with a black top and it was looking so good. It's a wide leg jeans and I'm in the size 26 in this one, and I absolutely love how it fits my body. The color is obviously very bright for me, but I'm gonna keep it because I don't know why, but I really liked this one. Next up, this is gonna be my most favorite item out of all of the things that I've got because I've already seen what's inside through this fold. And yes, this is the denim jumpsuit from Mango. I I have tried this one before because my sister had this, and I absolutely loved this one. This is how it looks, and I was telling you that I love this piece so much because this is such a versatile piece that you can wear this anywhere and on any occasion, and I can assure you that this would fit the vibe. And this is not even ripped, so making it more versatile. I'm in the size extra small in this one, but it feels so large. Thank god I did not get it in S size because I was legit waiting for the S size to come in stock because it was out of stock, and I was waiting since so long. But then I finally gave up, and then I got it in the size extra small, and everything happens for a reason, and now I know why. The next thing is a belt, and this is how it looks. It looks very different from how it was looking in the picture, but I don't know why. So let's see. We'll try it on and I'll show you how it looks on me. And we'll be moving on to the last item. Not last, it's the second last item of the haul. And I also know what is this. It's a black jumpsuit, and a fun story that I've ordered this once before and I did not receive the exact same, but yeah, so I've ordered this jumpsuit once before and I did not get the exact same piece. Like, it was a black jumpsuit, but not this one. It was some other jumpsuit and I returned it. I've ordered it once again and I'm in the size extra small, but it again feels so large. I'll be trying it and then I'll tell you what it looks like. Otherwise, I'm going to return it again. The last thing from this haul is this white cap, which is from Puma X18, and I really like caps on me, so I got this one. I already have one in black, but I also wanted a white one. This is how it looks on me. I really like how caps look on me. What do you think? Should I keep it or I should return it? I really like how it's looking on me. I'm probably gonna keep this because it's from one of my favorite brands and also because it looks really nice on me. And that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!